Viewers, the race to the throne in the national capital is heating up with each passing day. And today, being the last day, we expect there to be a fierce campaign by Aam Aadmi Party, BJP, as well as the Congress, the three key parties in the fray. Here's a look at how they have campaigned so far in the national capital.
From sharp attacks over Yamuna water poisoning remark,
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा की सरकार ने दिल्ली में यमुना से आने वाले पानी में जहर मिला के भेज दिया है.
to Prime Minister Modi reiterating the Aapada jibe at Aam Aadmi Party.
उन्होंने कहा था, देखो मैं नए तरीके की राजनीति लाऊंगा, मैं दिल्ली की राजनीति बदल दूंगा, भ्रष्टाचार मिटा दूंगा, यमुना को साफ कर दूंगा, पोल्यूशन हटा दूंगा. वादा था नई राजनीति का, आए और करोड़ों रुपए आपसे भ्रष्टाचार करके चोरी किया.
Delhi looks all set to head into polls on 5th of February. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also taken a swipe at the Aam Aadmi Party government.
आज दिल्ली में पानी की कमी, गंदा पानी, यमुना की सफाई, ये बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बन चुका है. इतनी जहरीली राजनीति देश तक कभी नहीं देखी. आपदा वालों को लाज शर्म कुछ भी नहीं है.
From graft to delayed development, big charges have been raised against the incumbent Aam Aadmi Party.
जो केजरीवाल ने आपके पास आकर वोट मांगकर कांग्रेस के खिलाफ झूठी बातें करके हमको बदनाम करने की कोशिश की.
BJP's Gaurav Bhatia has in fact claimed to have proof against the Aam Aadmi Party's wrongdoings in the national capital. This comes as 8 AAP MLAs have deflected from the party to join the BJP and have levied charges of grafting against the party.
दिल्ली में 3G की सरकार चल रही है. 3G का मतलब मालूम है आपको? मैं बताता हूं, ठहर जाओ. पहले जी से है घोटाले वाली सरकार, दूसरे जी से है घुसपैठियों को पनाह देने वाली सरकार, और तीसरे जी से है घपले करने वाली सरकार.
The Aam Aadmi Party has also taken jibes at the BJP. Writing to the Chief Election Officer, Kejriwal has claimed that BJP is inciting violence against AAP members.
पार्टी ने जिन मूल्यों और सिद्धांतों की बात करते हुए दिल्ली में लोगों से मदद मांगकर सत्ता हथियाई थी, पार्टी आज उसके लिए नहीं काम कर रही है, बल्कि केवल अपने भले के लिए काम कर रही है. इसलिए हमने आम आदमी पार्टी में विश्वास खो दिया था.
The Aam Aadmi Party Supremo warned people that the welfare schemes will be stopped if BJP is brought to power.
बीजेपी ने कहा है कि अगर वो आ गए तो वो दिल्ली वालों की 5 सुविधाएं बंद कर देंगे. फ्री बिजली बंद कर देंगे, फ्री पानी बंद कर देंगे, सरकारी स्कूल बंद कर देंगे, मोहल्ला क्लिनिक बंद कर देंगे और महिलाओं की फ्री बस यात्रा बंद कर देंगे. बीजेपी ने ऐलान किया कि ये 5 सुविधाएं बंद कर देंगे. इससे लोगों को लगभग 20 से 25 हजार रुपए का महीने का नुकसान होना शुरू हो जाएगा.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi has been blaming the AAP of spreading false narratives and reiterating that no schemes will be curtailed.
दिल्ली के लोगों के गुस्से से आपदा पार्टी इतनी घबरा गई है कि हर घंटे झूठी घोषणाएं कर रही है. ये बात अलग है कि दिल्ली की जनता के सामने आपदा वालों का नकाब उतर चुका है.
Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu held a rally in the national capital in support of the BJP.
Narendra Modi ji has given very strong leadership. We are very fortunate right time, very strong leader, right leader, that is Narendra Modi ji.
The TMC also sent support for the Aam Aadmi Party, where TMC MP Shatrughan Sinha rallied in the capital next to Delhi Chief Minister Atishi.
वोट देंगे खामोश बटन दबेगा.
As the battle for Delhi heats up with just 2 days to go for the assembly polls, it remains to be seen who will Delhi declare as its government.
Well, that was how the campaign trail looked for the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP as well as the Congress. Sharp jabs exchanged in the run-up to the Delhi Assembly elections. The BJP has accused Aam Aadmi Party of sheltering infiltrators, whereas the Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, has accused BJP of using central agencies to target Aam Aadmi Party leaders. And they have also fired allegations of BJP leaders roughing up Aam Aadmi Party members. Now, Piyush is joining me live from the national capital. A very good morning to you, Piyush. Give us a sense of how the atmosphere is in the national capital today, as it is the last day for campaigning.
So yes, good morning to you, Deepak, and good morning to all our viewers who are viewing us at the moment. And you rightly witnessed that this Delhi election campaign has high stakes involved, and the high stakes involved in this campaign can be gauged from the fact that this time the campaigning has been aggressive, the campaign has been violent, as one would say, and moreover, the campaigning has been vitriolic, in which all the three parties, so whether it includes the Aam Aadmi Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, or even the Congress in that matter, have not hesitated of trading barbs at each other. Now, we have witnessed that from the time the names of the candidates were involved and the campaigning process started, we have witnessed that there have been several allegations, grave allegations that have been leveled by all the three parties at each other. While the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as Congress have claimed that Aam Aadmi Party is a corrupt party, they have not been able to deliver their promises, they have not been able to clean Yamuna, the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that they are going to make sure that they will come to power once again from their welfare schemes, from the work which they have done as far as the education sector and health sector is concerned. And they are saying that if BJP, which they feel is their main competitor, is going to come to power, the welfare schemes is going to be ended by them. So yes, we have witnessed that there have been several allegations which have been treated as
well. Piyush, if you could tell us about the campaigns that have been lined up today for the BJP as well as the Aam Aadmi Party, because the BJP has the NDA boost as well. So tell us about the high voltage campaigns that are planned on the last day.
So Deepak, what I can tell you is that even though Delhi has only 70 seats, you can understand the kind of stakes that are involved, because the Prime Minister himself have done several rallies in order to make sure that Bharatiya Janata Party, which has not come to power since 98, now comes to Delhi once again. Besides this, we have also witnessed that how Home Minister Amit Shah and also several BJP leaders are coming into fray for campaigning for the party. And this time too, today also we are witnessing that several top BJP leaders, that includes JP Nadda and other union ministers, might come to campaigning again. In addition to this, we are also seeing that Congress, which many would say is not in reckoning, are also making sure that they make a last-ditch effort to make sure that they at least salvage some pride in this Delhi election. But yes, being the last day of campaigning, we are again going to witness several top leaders from Bharatiya Janata Party, the Aam Aadmi Party, as well as Congress campaigning today. Back to the studio.
That's right, Piyush. Thank you for joining me with all those insights. It's definitely a high-voltage assembly election campaign, because the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress are pulling all stops to woo voters, and they have left no stones unturned to attack each other. And just ahead of the elections, the Aam Aadmi Party seems to have witnessed a setback with 8 of its MLAs joining the BJP. We'll have to wait and watch how the situation will pan out for Kejriwal and his party.